Have you ever looked at a Ghibli scene and wondered how the colors are so perfect? In this video, I will show you how I deconstruct a scene from Kiki's delivery service using just 4 main colors to recreate a full painting. Okay, so this is my reference. The first thing I do is color mapping. I break down this image to identify the main colors. The first color I see is blue from the sky. Green represents the plants. Then the building area has only one main color in general, which is burgundy. And gray is for the path and windows. From this mapping, we can identify only 4 main colors. These colors truly capture the vibe of the scene and will guide my color choices for this painting. From those main colors, I built a palette before my painting session using Gouache 18 colors. This is enough as I can mix to achieve the shades I need. First, the sky colors. A single mix of acid blue and titanium white. Second, the greens for the plants. I created warm greens by mixing pale green and lemon yellow. Then adding black and white for shading and highlights. Cool greens were mixed from grass green and jade green, again with black and white for shading and highlights. Third, the building's burgundy. A cool tone mix of deep red and rose formed the base for the roof, with black and white added for shading. For the warmer walls, I mixed these 3 burgundy shades with medium yellow, creating 3 shades from darker to the lighter. And finally, for the grays of the path and windows, I use various compositions of black and white to achieve a range of shades. My color palette is complete and I'm ready to begin painting. turned out. I absolutely love the vibrant harmony of the colors in this piece. Try my color picking technique on your own favorite Ghibli scenes. Tell me in the comments which scenes you tackle next. I'm excited to see your creation. Thanks for watching and until next time.